Okay. What skills should I, digital skills should I develop in the digital world? Well, it depends on where do you want to work. Do you like to develop web pages the most or mobile apps? So, in order to make a wise decision, we need to reflect in or on both in both options. Let's reflect on the concept of a web page. For example, here there is a book, and this book has many pages. So one of these page in the digital world is going to is it's called a web page, and a collection of many pages or web pages in the digital world. Here it is called a book, but in the digital world it's going to be called a website. Now here this book can be saved in a library, and whereas the website is going to save in a server. Now here this book needs a code to be identified in the library. In the server, our website needs a code that is called the URL, or the website address. Now what are the skills that we need to develop the most? Well, like in this book, we need to create a layout. No? We need to create a layout, so we need the layout. We need to make the design, and sometimes some kind of books have interactive features. What about the digital? In the digital environment, the web page the same. We need to create a layout, so we need to master HTML. We need to make the design. We need to master CSS. We need to add interactive, and we want to add interactive features, so JavaScript. What about mobile apps? If you want to work more on the mobile apps, well, what is the purpose of a mobile app? Whereas in the website we can work the most in the aesthetics aspect, in a mobile app we are going to sell. I consider that is more interesting experience for the users, especially let's make a comparison here. If you need a tool, you can go to the shop and buy a tool for you, bring it home, and do many things around, fixing many things. So it's the same with a mobile app. We go to the store and we buy um, a, a mobile app. We have to go to the stores, well-known stores like Google Play Store or Apple App Store. We go there or we navigate there, and then we acquire different software programs, no, those mobile apps that we have to download, and then it is going to run in our mobile. Now it's here with us and we can use it whenever we need it. So what are the skills that we need to create mobile apps? As I listed here, I listed for Java and Kotlin is mainly to work in the Android world, to sell our application to the Google Play stores. If you want to sell your application to Apple, Swift. But if you want to navigate in both areas, we need to master React Native. So it depends on you where you are going to use your time. Two options, but these days there is also an intermediate options where many features of mobile apps are used in the web pages. Well, that's all.